Hello and welcome. Today we are going to embark on a journey of luxury and adventure as we explore three extraordinary motorhomes. From innovative designs to opulent interiors, these homes on wheels are the epitome of comfort and style. So, sit back, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to be amazed by these three amazing motorhomes that redefine the art of traveling in style. Introducing the Faulkner Mobile Performance, a 12-meter luxury motorhome that redefines opulence on the road. It offers exceptional driving dynamics, safety, and comfort, creating a feel-good atmosphere during your journeys. With large tank volumes, a 25 kilowatt-hour battery, and a lavish 2,400-watt solar system, it guarantees freedom and self-sufficiency in off-grid destinations. The Faulkner UX system controls the perfect heating and air conditioning, adding to your comfort. The central garage conceals your favorite car and doubles as a terrace. Its technical brilliance and precise craftsmanship ensure a sophisticated living experience. A special collaboration with Burmester Audio System GmbH provides an unparalleled sound solution. The patented central garage is a testament to its practicality and versatility. With the gimbaled garage plateau operated by Faulkner UX, you can extend it effortlessly. The low center of gravity enhances driving characteristics, ensuring stability. The Faulkner Mobile Performance is the epitome of luxury, offering a lavish and unforgettable road trip experience. Indulge in the sheer pleasure of unparalleled travel with this extraordinary motorhome. The Hymer Venture S is a portable home that redefines the meaning of compact luxury and sets new benchmarks for design, functionality, and comfort in the camping world. Its innovative interior concept and striking exterior make it a grand gesture packaged in a compact vehicle. What sets the Hymer Venture S apart is its ability to combine a distinctive appearance with a narrow body while providing ample interior space. This unique feature sets it apart as an innovative motorhome, carving out a new vehicle category in the camping world. It caters to the loftiest demands in terms of design and function, making it a compelling choice for discerning campers who refuse to compromise on quality. One of the most significant strengths of the Hymer Venture S is its thoughtful design, optimized for two people. This exclusive focus ensures that every detail is tailored to provide the utmost freedom and convenience for a duo's adventurous journeys. Whether it's a romantic getaway or a thrilling off-road escapade, this portable home promises an unforgettable experience without compromise. With a laden mass in running order of 4,100 kilograms, the Hymer Venture S maintains stability and safety even during off-road excursions, making it a reliable companion for adventure seekers who crave the freedom to explore the great outdoors. The RC Motorhomes RC12M is a remarkable achievement, born from over a decade of unwavering dedication to engineering excellence and meticulous attention to detail. This ultimate luxury motorhome stands as the pinnacle of RC Motorhomes' mission, embodying opulence and innovation like no other. With its Volvo FH chassis and powerful 540 horsepower turbo diesel engine, the RC12M exudes strength and presence on the road. From massive slide-outs, a spacious 7-meter awning, and a large rear car garage create a living space akin to a luxurious apartment, complete with a super yacht interior finish. Designed and built by RC Motorhomes, this motorhome guarantees ultimate style, space, and quality. Inside, the interior is a harmonious blend of beauty and power, making you forget you're in a motorhome. The RC12M embraces personalization, offering bespoke layouts tailored precisely to your needs. External features include a hydraulic step system, a massive garage, and clever underfloor compartments for abundant storage. A 7-meter sun canopy adds outdoor comfort, while rear-wheel steering facilitates smooth maneuvering of this 12-meter vehicle. Internally, the RC12M shines with its luxury lounge area, well-equipped galley, and luxurious bathroom. The Master Suite boasts a sliding sunroof, electric blinds, and a digital TV, creating an unparalleled sense of luxury. The RC12M is a vision of opulence and innovation, a true marvel on the road that promises an unforgettable motorhome experience. Thanks for joining me on this incredible motorhome adventure. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share your thoughts in the comments. Happy travels, and see you next time!